It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you my Adidas Ultra Boost in black. Now you guys, I love the Ultra Boost line, but I love this shoe in particular because it is completely in black. And I love black shoes because they just give your workout outfit a really nice look. Now, the structure here, it's like a silicone or rubber, and it's kind of hard but bendable. This is really nice because once you tie it at the tightness you like, this adds really nice support to the middle of your foot, which is important. I do want to note that true to the Ultra Boost line, that mesh is serious mesh, you guys. You have a lot of give there, which is excellent when you're running and moving your foot around in different directions. It's going to give you that comfort. The sole is excellent as well. It's a continental sole, which I am very used to. This gives such a smooth ride when you're running. I love that feature about it. That sole really does take a lot of pressure. Sock material on the upper is probably one of my favorite features. It's super stretchy, you guys. So once you get the tightness on the laces you like, you simply slip on your shoe and slip it off. I never tie these shoes after I'm done with the first sizing. It's wonderful. Let me show you them on. So now you can see the shoe on, and I just want to say super, super comfortable. I absolutely love this detail here, you guys, where you can have that plastic or silicone. It really adds that extra comfort on the shoe. I feel it. It's amazing. They feel so good. So if you guys are thinking about giving the Adidas Ultra Boost a try, I say do it. They're fantastic shoes for running. That's my point of view.